Hemorrhoids or piles can be extremely painful, and sometimes it's just pure torture. But did you know you can get instant relief using natural essential oil remedies with almost no side effects? So today we will discuss how to use essential oils for hemorrhoids and to help you reduce your pain and inflammation. But before we proceed, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel so that the YouTube algorithm picks up the video and helps us share this information. So the first thing we want to consider is what are hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids are basically swollen veins. So to break it down, when we think about it, it's just another form of inflammation. So it makes sense for us to use essential oils which are naturally anti-inflammatory. And we are going to list a few of them today and how you can use them to reduce your hemorrhoid pain. So here are the top 8 anti-inflammatory essential oils that can help provide relief to you from pain and inflammation due to hemorrhoids or piles. So we will begin with the first one and the most popular one, which is lavender. Next is peppermint. The next one is frankincense. After that comes myrtle. Then we have cypress essential oil. Then comes clove, dill seed, and last but not the least, tea tree. Now that we know which are the top essential oils for hemorrhoids and piles, how to use them. Since essential oils cannot and should not be applied directly on the skin, you have to first dilute them in a suitable carrier oil. The ones I recommend are coconut or jojoba, or you can also dilute them in a body lotion that you usually use. The recommended dosage is 40 to 60 drops of an essential oil per 100 ml or 3 ounces of a body lotion or a carrier oil. You can use this ratio to dilute the essential oil in the base oil or the base lotion and then apply moderately for 2 to 3 days. It's also very important to note that you should always source your essential oils from reputed and trusted brands. And while essential oils are very mild risk, it's important that you also consult your doctor if you notice any of the following signs. Pain and swelling if it lasts more than a week, lumps that appear to be growing rather than reducing, chronic and recurring constipation, and severe bleeding. That is how you can use natural essential oils for your hemorrhoids, and what are the things that you should watch out for and consult a medical specialist in case you have any issues. So I hope this information was useful to you, and if it was, please do comment and share your feedback with us and your experience with using these essential oils for your hemorrhoids pain by commenting below so that we know that we are reaching the right audience. So thank you, and always remember, keep it natural.